Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into an exciting topic, transforming your backyard with 7 innovative garden design ideas. Whether you're working with a sprawling lawn or a compact balcony, our tips will help you make the most of your outdoor space. We'll cover everything from the space-saving magic of vertical gardens to the cozy charm of outdoor living areas, and even how to infuse sustainability into your garden design. So, if you're looking to refresh your outdoor area and turn it into a personal oasis, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First up is vertical gardening. Vertical gardening is a creative and efficient way to maximize your garden space, especially when horizontal space is limited. This innovative gardening approach involves growing plants upwards rather than outwards, utilizing vertical surfaces. This gardening style is perfect for city dwellers with just a balcony or small patio to spare, or anyone looking to add a flourish of green to their vertical spaces. To set up a vertical garden, you can use a variety of structures depending on your space and aesthetic preferences. Trellises are great for climbing plants and can be installed against walls or used as freestanding structures to create living screens. Wall planters can turn bare exterior walls into lush, living tapestries. Vertical plant pockets, which you can hang on walls, offer a modular approach where you can add or rearrange plant units easily. Each of these options can be tailored to fit the style and size of your outdoor area, ensuring functionality and visual appeal. When choosing plants for a vertical garden, consider the climate, sun exposure, and water requirements. For sunny spots, succulents and flowering plants like petunias and geraniums are excellent because they are drought-resistant and thrive in direct light. For shadier areas, ferns and hostas are suitable as they prefer less direct sunlight. Edible plants such as strawberries, herbs, and lettuce can also thrive in vertical settings, making them a practical addition that brings beauty and bounty to your space. Always ensure that the plants you choose are compatible with the vertical structure's material and environmental conditions to guarantee a flourishing vertical garden. Adding a little bit of water into your garden can go a long way. Incorporating a water feature into your garden design can transform your outdoor space into a serene retreat. Water features such as fountains, ponds, or waterfalls add a dynamic element to gardens, creating a focal point that not only enhances the aesthetic appeal, but also promotes a peaceful and relaxing atmosphere. The sound of flowing water is naturally soothing and can help mask city noises, making it particularly beneficial in urban environments. Installing a water feature can be tailored to fit any garden size and style. For smaller spaces, a compact fountain or a tabletop water garden can add elegance without requiring much room. Larger gardens might benefit from a pond equipped with aquatic plants or a cascading waterfall, which can become a habitat for wildlife such as birds and frogs. When planning your water feature, consider the power supply for pumps, the need for water circulation to prevent algae, and the overall maintenance it will require to keep it running smoothly and looking its best. Around water features, the choice of plants can enhance the tranquility and visual appeal. Aquatic plants like water lilies and lotus bring life to ponds and help maintain water clarity by minimizing algae growth. Marginal plants such as irises and rushes can be planted along the water's edge, adding texture and color. For surrounding areas, moisture-loving plants like hostas and ferns can thrive, creating a lush, verdant backdrop that complements the water element. It's essential to choose plants that align with your climate and the specific water conditions to ensure a healthy and sustainable aquatic environment. If you already clock a lot of hours working out in your garden, why not try relaxing there too? Outdoor living areas are essential for transforming your backyard into a versatile extension of your home. These spaces are designed for relaxation and entertainment, providing a comfortable environment where you can dine, socialize, or simply unwind in the open air. Integrating an outdoor living area increases the usability of your garden, making it the perfect spot for gatherings or a peaceful retreat for personal relaxation. Creating an inviting outdoor living area can range from simple to elaborate, depending on your space and budget. For a basic setup, consider a patio or deck with comfortable seating like sofas and loungers, complemented by a coffee table or a fire pit for cooler evenings. For more elaborate designs, incorporate an outdoor kitchen or bar, complete with a grill, a fridge, and ample counter space for food preparation. Pergolas and gazebos not only enhance the visual appeal, but also provide shade and protection from the elements, making the space usable regardless of the weather. Consider durable materials and outdoor fabrics that withstand various weather conditions to ensure longevity. To further integrate your outdoor living area with the surrounding garden, select plants that add privacy, texture, and color. Tall, dense shrubs like boxwood or bamboo can create natural privacy screens, while hanging baskets and container gardens bring in splashes of color and soften the hard landscaping elements. Climbing plants on trellises or pergolas add a vertical dimension of greenery and can provide additional shade. Choose perennial plants for the year-round interest or seasonal blooms that can be rotated for changing colors and textures throughout the year. For a lot of us, food is a huge motivator when it comes to gardening. Wanting to cultivate your own fresh food is definitely a benefit of all the hard work that's required to do it. Edible gardens are a delightful way to blend functionality with aesthetics in your backyard. They involve integrating fruit, vegetables, and herbs into your landscaping, not only providing fresh produce, but also enhancing your garden's beauty. Edible gardens are particularly appealing because they offer a tangible reward: fresh, organic food right from your own backyard. This type of garden encourages sustainable living and can be a fun, educational activity for families. Creating an edible garden can start small with herbs in containers or expand to larger raised beds and dedicated vegetable patches. Consider the sunlight availability in your backyard, as most edible plants require full sun, at least 6 hours of direct sunlight per day, to thrive. Raised beds are ideal for vegetable gardening as they provide good drainage, ease of access, and control over soil quality. Incorporate paths between beds to make planting, harvesting, and maintenance easier. For a more integrated approach, consider the concept of edible landscaping, where food plants are mixed with ornamental ones to create a garden that is both productive and aesthetically pleasing. This can include using fruit trees as focal points, berry bushes as hedgerows, and ornamental herbs like lavender and thyme for ground cover or borders. When choosing plants for your edible garden, consider your local climate and soil conditions. Popular choices include tomatoes, peppers, leafy greens like spinach and kale, and herbs such as basil, mint, and cilantro, which are relatively easy to grow and maintain. For year-round productivity, mix perennials like asparagus and berries with annuals like cucumbers and zucchinis. Fruit trees such as apples, pears, and plums can also be excellent additions if space allows. Select companion plants that can help deter pests naturally and enhance plant growth through beneficial relationships. For example, marigolds can be planted alongside tomatoes to help repel harmful insects. This thoughtful selection of plants not only maximizes the health and yield of your garden, but also contributes to a balanced ecosystem in your backyard. Now, let's talk about sustainable landscaping. This design method focuses on creating an eco-friendly outdoor space that reduces water usage, minimizes environmental impact, and fosters biodiversity. This approach involves selecting plants that are well suited to the local climate and soil, reducing the need for chemical fertilizers, pesticides, and excessive watering. Sustainable landscaping is not only beneficial for the environment, but also for homeowners looking to lower maintenance costs and create a naturally thriving garden. To implement sustainable landscaping, start by assessing your yard's existing conditions, including climate, soil type, and water availability. Design your landscape with native plants that are adapted to your local environment, as these will require less water, fertilizer, and care than non-native species. Incorporate elements like rain gardens, which capture runoff and prevent water wastage, and permeable paving, which allows water to seep into the ground and replenish groundwater rather than running off into drains. Consider creating zones in your garden based on the water needs of different plants, grouping those with similar requirements together to optimize irrigation efficiency. Utilize mulch to retain soil moisture and suppress weeds, further reducing the need for watering and chemical herbicides. Choose native plants, shrubs, and trees that are known for their resilience and low maintenance requirements. These might include wildflowers that attract pollinators, native grasses that require minimal mowing, and shrubs that provide food and shelter for local wildlife. Research local xeriscaping plants if you are in a drought-prone area, as these are specifically adapted to thrive with little water. For ground cover, opt for plants like creeping thyme or sedum species, which cover large areas efficiently, suppress weed growth, and reduce soil erosion. Trees such as oaks or maples are excellent for providing shade, reducing the heat island effect, and improving air quality. By choosing the right plants and landscaping strategies, you can create a beautiful garden that sustains itself naturally and contributes positively to the local ecosystem. Are you a Star Wars lover? Or maybe you've always wanted to live in Snow White's fairy tale cottage. Themed gardens are a creative way to add personal touch and visual interest to your outdoor space. They revolve around a specific concept or theme, allowing gardeners to express their interests and aesthetic preferences through plant selections and garden decorations. Popular themes include Japanese Zen gardens, English cottage gardens, or even a whimsical fairy tale garden, each offering a unique atmosphere and gardening experience. To create a themed garden, start by deciding on a theme that resonates with your personal tastes or complements the architectural style of your home. Once you've chosen a theme, plan your garden layout and elements to reflect the chosen style. This might involve specific structural designs like paths, water features, or sculptures that align with the theme. For a Japanese Zen garden, for example, incorporate elements such as sand or pebbles to symbolize water, along with rocks, moss, and minimalistic plants to create a serene, contemplative space. If you prefer an English cottage garden, focus on designing lush, flower-filled beds with a mix of perennials, biennials, and annuals to achieve a charming, colorful display. For a Japanese Zen garden, opt for plants like Japanese maples, bamboo, azaleas, and ferns, which provide a range of textures and subtle colors. These plants are not only traditionally associated with Japanese aesthetics, but are also known for their calming effects. For an English cottage garden, choose a variety of flowering plants such as roses, lavender, foxgloves, and hollyhocks. These plants often grow in an informal mix, providing a burst of color and a relaxed, naturalistic appearance. If you're interested in a fairy tale garden, select whimsical plants such as mosses, ivy, and flowering climbers like clematis or wisteria. Incorporating elements like small bridges, fairy statues, or hidden nooks can enhance the magical feel of the garden. By carefully selecting themes and corresponding elements, you can transform your garden into a dedicated space that not only reflects your personal style, but also provides a distinct and immersive experience for visitors and family alike. Lights, camera, plants. Incorporating lighting and accessories into your garden design can dramatically enhance the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your outdoor space. Strategic lighting not only highlights key features and plants, but also extends the usability of your garden into the evening hours, creating a warm, inviting ambiance. Accessories ranging from sculptures to wind chimes add personality and charm, making your garden a reflection of your style. To effectively use lighting in your garden, consider the areas you want to accentuate, such as pathways, water features, or specific plants. Installing low-voltage landscape lighting along paths not only ensures safety after dark, but also adds a magical quality to evening strolls. Spotlighting can draw attention to focal points like statues or unique plants, while softer ambient lighting can be used to enhance the overall mood of the garden. For accessories, think about the overall theme of your garden and choose items that complement it. For example, a rustic garden might benefit from the addition of wrought iron elements like benches or arched trellises, while a modern garden might look best with minimalist sculptures and geometric planters. While plants themselves are not typically considered accessories, the way they are presented can complement your lighting and decorative choices. For instance, reflective foliage or white flowers, such as white hydrangeas or moonflowers, can glow under moonlight or low lighting, enhancing the enchantment of your garden at night. Ornamental grasses can add texture and movement to the garden, creating intriguing silhouettes against low lights. Similarly, plants with variegated leaves or shiny surfaces can catch light beautifully, adding visual interest and dynamism to the space. By thoughtfully combining lighting and accessories, you can create a captivating garden environment that invites exploration and relaxation at any time of day. This approach not only maximizes the sensory experience of your garden, but also ensures that it is a versatile and engaging space regardless of the time. That wraps up our journey through 7 transformative garden design ideas to revolutionize your outdoor space. Whether you're planning to implement a cozy outdoor living area, explore the sustainability of native plants, or light up your nights with enchanting garden accessories, these ideas are designed to enhance both the beauty and functionality of your garden. Don't forget to experiment with these concepts to find what best suits your space and personal style. Thank you for watching, and if you found these ideas inspiring, please like, subscribe, and share this video. We'd love to hear about your garden transformations in the comments below. Happy gardening!